Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Timecoin on Sol. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing. So the original Timecoin did very well, and then when a token does very well, then there's other tokens that come out, or different the same token on different chains. But this is a huge project. If you look at their Twitter right here, they have 428,500 Twitter followers, huge following. And yeah, like I said, they just got a very big central exchange listing, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can see their Twitter just joined in June 2024, and they already have that insane amount of followers, 428,000. They're doing big giveaways here. We're going to get to that in a second in their pinned tweet. They're talking about a Rolex giveaway. Yeah, their Twitter is at Timecoin Sol. So obviously this is on the Solana blockchain. It says, "Time is precious. Make it count and live your best life every single second." And then it has a link to their webpage, time.meme, 102 tweets. And it was just announced on Twitter. If you follow at Bitmart Exchange, it says, "Upcoming new listing, Bitmart will list Timesol soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements." So it doesn't give an exact date and time yet, but soon enough, they're going to announce on Time's Twitter, I'm sure, and on Bitmart's Twitter, the exact date and time that the Timecoin will be listed. And then you'll basically, if you don't have a Bitmart account, you could download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT. Then when it gets listed, go into the trade section and search Timesol. Now they probably have it as Timesol because there's another token with the ticker symbol time, so you can tell the difference. And then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So that's one way to get it. Now, maybe Bitmart is not available in your country. Maybe you don't want to use a central exchange, or for whatever reason, you can get this token off of Raydium or Jupiter. First of all, you need a wallet. So a Solflare wallet would work, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, any wallet that stores Solana meme coins. You get one of them wallets, and then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund it with Sol from a central exchange. There's a list of central exchanges in the description box down there. So fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for the Timesol token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, time.meme. Now, you probably won't have to set slippage. I don't think there's taxes, but don't quote me on that. We're going to have a look at that in a second here. So it has the current price on their webpage, which is like a, tons of decimal places. So, I mean, not tons of decimal places, but tons of numbers after the decimal place. So it shows you, it has a link to Raydium and Jupiter to buy the token. It's got a bunch of central exchange listing updates coming up. It says to be announced, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's like 10 spots, so they're looking to get a whole bunch of central exchange listings. It says you can track the time chart on Dex Tools and Dex Screener, and it has links to both of those on their webpage. You're going to be able to see the price, the chart, all that type of stuff. You'll also be able to find this token on Bird Eye, on SolScan. They also have a wiki on their page, a time wiki that you could check out as well. So tons of links, tons of info. It's got the contract address. And it says, the time revolution. Time is the next big meme coin on Solana that represents the ultimate scarcity and value of time. No external market makers. We will perform all market making activities and sniping protection in-house. We will do the best job for our community. It's got dump protection. No partners or KOLs will receive any free token allocations that will damage price discovery. Fair distribution mechanism. We introduced the proportional refund crowd sale (PRC) mechanism. If hard cap will be exceeded, we will proportionally refund everyone above 40,000 SOL threshold. First come, first serve. The first to send SOL to the pre-sale wallet get their tokens with a higher priority, plus bonuses. Time limited pre-sale, only 10 minutes. It will be fast. Prepare your SOL, put your notifications on, and don't miss a life-changing opportunity. So it says it will be listed on central exchanges. There's going to be bonuses, 10% to 25% for early adopters. There's going to be the time ecosystem. Time is precious, just at the perfect timing, just in time, always on time, no time wasted. So it has the roadmap on here, starting with pre-sale, decentralized exchange listing, marketing campaign, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing. Then we got more central exchange listings, scarcity, airdrops, NFT collection will come out, partnerships, more central exchanges, charity fund, environmental currencies, influencers, and reward system. Total supply, 777,777,777,777 tokens. 35% of the tokens go to liquidity, central exchanges, 45% pre-sale and bonuses, 15% go to treasury and marketing, 2% airdrops, 3% team. Now, if we go, there is, if you have a question, it tells you how to reach out. It's got a disclaimer on there. This token has a $2.64 million in liquidity in Raydium and a $42.09 million market cap. So needless to say, doing very well. 13,000 holders. 24-hour trading volume right now is $16.76 million. Doing very well. They have a quick audit on Dex tools, and there's no warnings on it whatsoever. It's just all good check marks. Keep in mind, it's just a quick audit, though. It's not a full audit. Token's up 40% right now. Check it out. Real name of the token is just Time, and ticker symbol is also Time. But like I said, to distinguish from the other Time token, they have it as Timesol on Bitmart when it comes out. So go check out this project. Let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes. And if you want to help support the channel, you can hit that join button and become a channel member. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.